Hello everyone, it's Clinton Malopa again here. Now today guys, I want to show you how to install the new robot, the NAS Killer Pro robot. I want to show you how to install it. Now bear with me guys, as I use two laptops because I've got the rules on this side that I will send to you once you have the robot. And then also I have the other PC to install the robot. Now we just need to go and copy the original file. We just need to copy the original file. Let's just go ahead and copy the original file. Okay, here are the rules for those who want to see the rules that you need to apply on the new robot. Whereas I copied the new file on this side. I've already copied the file, so let me take it straight to MT4. I will take it straight to MT4, and then we are in MT4 now. You need to come here. Do you see this thing up here? You need to come there, and then you need to right click. Is it right? Is left click. You need to left click and then wait for it to open. Then it gives you this page. You go to Expert Advisor. Then you left click or rather right click, and then you open the folder. Once you open the folder, it will give you this page where you need to paste the file that you've copied for the robot, and then you paste it here. All this will be done once I send you the file on your email. I will send you the file on your email, either your email or via Telegram, one of the two. I will send you via one of the two platforms. It's up to you which one you want to use. Then you can close these pages. Go back to MT4. Now this is where the robot should appear under Expert Advisor there. Now I'm going to right click and then refresh this page as it appears there under Expert Advisor, because it's an Expert Advisor. Then I will double click the robot. Then I will click OK or yes, because I already had the robot. So I will click yes. It will give me these options. This is where I wanted to take a stop, because this is NASDAQ. Because I chose NASDAQ here. This is NASDAQ. This is NAS 100. This pair that I've opened, it says NAS 100. I need to go ahead and apply. Okay, let's just read the rules. The rules are saying minimum to fund is $50, 750 rands. That's fine. Point number 2, it says apply 15 minutes. So we need to put our charts on 15 minutes or 1 hour time frame. That is the most effective one. Now the third one, it says on indices, set lot size that is appropriate or that is allowed with the broker, right? Then we are going to, because we're on indices here, this is NASDAQ, it's an index. We are going to set the lot size that is required by the broker. Then where is the lot size? The lot size is somewhere here. Let's look at the lot size. There it is. It says 0.01, and this broker allows what? It allows 0.10. Now I'm going to change to 0.10. Then that's it. I've changed to 0.10. And then also, because this is NASDAQ, these numbers, they can't be 50, because 50 pips is more like 5 pip on NASDAQ. Then I need to put 5,000. 5,000 is equivalent to what? It's equivalent to 50 pips. Then I need to use a take profit of what? 10,000. That is equivalent to 100 pips. 10,000, like that. And then I need to go down because I need to change both sides. And then also on the sell side is all going to be 5,000, and then it's going to be 10,000 as well, as you can see, just like that. And then I need to click OK. Before we can even click OK, if you check the common side, you need to allow live trading. Yes, and then you can click OK. Everything is done like that. And then there is the robot NAS Killer Pro up there. And then as you can see down here, everything is okay, everything is proper, everything is set. Now let me just show you how to attach it on other pairs. Let's just open USDCHF, right? This is USDCHF. I will go on the left side, and then I will double click the robot. It will give me these options, and I will say yes because I already have it. And then I will allow live trading, and then I will go to inputs, and then I will go, because this is a currency pair, everything is okay. I don't have to change anything. Just allow live trading. That's it. Just click OK. That's all. The robot is fine. There we go. There we go. And then the other pair, because this is a currency pair as well, I just need to double click, click yes, go to common, allow live trading. That's all. That's all you have to do. That's all you have to do. Let's go to other one. GBP USD. We go to the robot, double click yes because I already had it, and then we allow live trading. Click OK. That's all you do. That's all you do. Okay guys, I hope this video will be helpful to those who want to install the robot, the new one. This is how you do it, and this is how you attach the robot in each and every pair that you want, and then you let the robot do its thing. Also allow auto trading here auto trading. This is how you turn the robot on, and then if you want to turn it off, you just click on it again, turn it red, as you can see. On off, just like that. I hope this video will be helpful to you guys. Take care for now. Cheers.